Okay.
Is it working, dude?
Yeah. Alright, it's
Dude.
working.
Dude, we think there's kitties in here, but we're scared Mama Cat's gonna try and fuck us up, so we got a little something for that fucking Mama Cat. Fucking bah! Fucking bah! Right in the fucking kisser, man. Pow, right in the kisser. Pow, right in the kisser.
Okay. Alright. I don't think anyone can see anything.
No, they can't see anything, man? They couldn't see how menacing I was?
I don't think so.
Can you turn a light on?
You're a genius.
I'm a genius. Are there lights in here? Yeah, I see light bulbs. Where is the switch? There it is, I think. You're doing a great job, Josh.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Can you see everything now?
Yeah, man.
Alright, man. Now let them see how menacing I am.
Good job.
I'll fuck the cat up. Kabow! Kabow!
I'm trying to zoom in, but it's not working.
Huh?
I'm trying to zoom in, but it's not working.
Oh, man. Can you see how menacing I was?
I think so.
Is this a war drum? Oh, there's spider webs.
Whoa.
No, oh my god.
Oh, shit.
I got the drum.
Oh my god, we have to go inside for this. That is too loud. Oh my god.
The lid? Is the actual drum under this? Or am I supposed to be hitting plastic?
This. Turn it over.
Oh.
There. You're hitting a clown, man.
Oh, fucking clowns. Oh, shit. I need another one.
Wow.
Is that a BB gun?
I don't know, man. Don't shoot it in here. We will die. We'll die, man. You can't do that. Don't shoot the window.
Huh?
Don't shoot the window.
Oh no, just shoot that brick wall right there.
Where's the brick wall? No, it'll ricochet off and hit me, man.
It's gotta happen.
No. Shoot. No, stop. Stop.
What am I gonna shoot, dude?
Stop.
Should I shoot that?
No.
It's a bag.
It's gonna hit somebody.
No, it won't.
Yeah, it will.
If it does, I'll let you shoot me.
Shoot your head.
No. I'll shoot.
Shoot that tire right there, man.
What tire?
That tire. Like, in between the wall.
That one?
Yeah. Like, shoot it like where it'll bounce up on the ceiling. Oh,
Is the
shit.
safety on, dude?
I hope so.
What?
Oh, shit. I'm gonna get hit. Oh.
No, just turn it on.
Aha. I think it's broke.
There we go.
Aha.
Is it shooting anything out?
No.
Oh.
But I think the compressor is broke, man. It's
So
dry
sad
out,
right now.
man. Me too. Damn it.
Broke it.
Okay, this thing is approaching 5 minutes long. Goodbye.
Are we gonna watch